If you don't like heavy makeup but still want to look stunning, then stick around for these tips. Hey there, beauties. Today we're diving into the best makeup tips for mature skin with City Beauty. First up, hydration is key. Start with their line smoothing hydro mask for a plump, dewy canvas. Next, let's talk foundation. Opt for a lightweight, buildable formula like City Beauty's Skin Lifting Serum Foundation. It smooths fine lines without settling into them. Got tired eyes? Brighten them instantly with the illuminating dark spot corrector. Poof! Dark circles be gone. For those gorgeous lips, go for a hydrating, plumping gloss like City Lips. It adds volume and keeps your lips looking fabulous all day. Final touch? A sweep of ultra-firming dry oil on your hands to keep them youthful and radiant. Ready to transform your beauty routine? Use code SPENCER for 15% off your first City Beauty purchase. Embrace your age, enhance your beauty, and stay flawless at 50.